Acer, what's wrong with you? Let's find out. Sorry, one sec. Use space. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, sorry. Be right back. Alright, sorry. Let's get to this guy. This guy apparently does not charge or turn on. What's the history? The owner says the person using it simply watched the video, went to sleep, come back next day, time for school, laptop doesn't work. So they got a universal charger for it, doesn't work. Tried my charger, doesn't work. And he said using the original, okay, using the original, sorry, a universal charger. After a while, he felt the bottom of the laptop get warm. So this is one of those Intel Pentium type CPUs, so not any of the high ends. It's okay, let's not judge. Laptop is a laptop. Let's see what we can do on this guy very quickly. Okay, looks like just the two edges are the big ones, the rest are all small. Okay, sweet as. Done, okay. Let's have a look. Usually when a job comes in, we do a quick diagnostics next to the customer. Check the charger, check battery, disconnect battery, basic troubleshooting. Hopefully it does turn on. If it does, while the customer here, we just charge him a very small fee, like 55, 70 or something dollars, depending on the laptop. This has a NVMe SSD. What's going on here? Let's check the battery. Disconnect the battery, disconnect the CMOS. Okay. Tiny little hinge for a big screen. Oh, I can smell. Oh, I can smell a burn. Okay, I can actually smell a burn. Shit. Okay, there's a burn smell. That's understandable. That's why the laptop. Oh, here, obviously. Shit. Okay. Okay. Looks like a RAM. So this has built-in RAM, possibly. Okay. Yeah. Okay. How did that happen? Oh, okay. Look at that burn mark there. That's what he felt warm. Could be that one of two things. The universal charger they used has a voltage adjustable turning thing. You can change the voltage. If they plugged in a high voltage, that may have killed it. I did see it as 19 volt when they brought it in. Unless it was a high voltage, I'm not sure. But that's the problem right there. Okay, that one deserves a photo and see if that can be fixed. I doubt it, but you don't know. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Wow. Okay. AP16MJ5, okay. Two giant cells, okay. Should we spend time on this or not? Microscope is not going to work because cable is not even plugged in. Didn't get to use it today yet. Here we go. Deactivate. Activate. Okay. What's going on? Let's see, where's the damage? Shit. Okay. That's deep. So that's L8. L8. Oh, I know L8. Okay. Wow. What the fuck happened to you, man? Shit. Let's have a look what's happening on the other side. So what is this guy cooling? There's not even a freaking... There's not even a copper tube. What's the fan for? What are you cooling? Just blowing hot air out. Hi sir, man, a lot of people from India just messaged me from Google, from YouTube, wanting free help. Shit. Can't. I'll refer them to a Discord group or a chat group, and hopefully they can resolve your problem there, mate. Why the hell is there even a hair? Shit, disgusting. Yes, yes, when you hear the word hair, it's disgusting. It's part of the job. Okay. By the way, a customer gave me 50 bucks tip. Thank you so much. For the PC repair job. The 64 gig SSD. Sheesh. Okay. Why even bother fixing this? Okay, let's just have a look. Let's give it a chance. Wow. Shit. It's going through the board, man. Wow. Okay. That's understandable. Why? I am from India. I have iMac. Fantastic. What can I do, mate? Okay. Like, have a look. Seriously, these kind of messages I get non-stop. All about, hi, sir, sir, sir. I don't know why they keep saying sir. Okay. I really can't help you. What's happened to the other side? Wow, it's burned right through, man. Shit. Okay, my assumption is they plugged in a charge of higher voltage. This is going through here. Okay, we need to dig through this quickly. Okay. Let's smell some barbecue chips. I remember a customer did say they heard some sort of some kind of a sound. It started to get warm. Oh yeah. Okay. I won't be spending a lot of time on this. This is deemed a no repair most likely. Let the alcohol sit there a little bit more. Okay. It's probably leaking on the other side, eh? So this L8 chip has one coming in there. This one here. That's there. This one. And yeah, we can see the inside of the board layers. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Technically, right now, there should be no short. Just by visual inspection, could be wrong. Could be that the universal power adapter has done some damage. Hard to say. The ground, yeah, it's short at the ground. Yeah, this side. Yeah, damage is so bad. Something's still touching it, possibly on the other side too. That's the charging port there. At least the main 19-volt rail is not shorted. Oh, it is, okay. Okie dokie. Yeah, so this one is going to be a no fix, mate, sorry. Too major of a problem to fix within a reasonable budget. Yeah. To ground, they're both going to short. I'll see if I can give them an option of an alternative laptop, but this one unfortunately is going to be deemed no repair. See what they want to do. But I'll leave it at this for this video, so I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.